To connect your smart lighting with Netatmo system to the network, you'll first need to install a smart gateway. It should be installed near where the home's Wi-Fi router is or will be located. A strong, reliable connection is required. Before installing, ensure power to the electrical box is turned off at the breaker. The Smart Surface Mount Gateway is designed to be wired alongside an existing 1-gang device like an outlet or switch, ideal for retrofitting existing home installations. The gateway itself appears as a 2-gang device but only requires a 1-gang electrical box and opening. It comes with 2 wire leads, a hot wire and a neutral wire. These should be wired to the hot and neutral wires within the electrical box. The ground wire should be wired to the existing box ground wire. The exact wiring configuration will be dependent on the device you are installing alongside. Consult the installation instructions of the accompanying device or consult an electrician.